Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome. How is your mood? I hope you are in a good mood. Please, yourself. Open your books, page 50, exercise 1. Well, okay, exercise first. Let's listen and say it after the speaker.
3B. Given your time. Exercise 1A, page 50. World problems. Homelessness. Illiteracy. War. Crime. Aging population. Population growth. Hunger. Racism. Poverty.
Well, what do you think? Are there any of these problems in our country? Well, Zainab? Yes, correct. Lara? Well, yes, we are all facing some of these problems. Well, okay, next question. What do you think? What do you think? How can we solve these problems? What do you think? What is your opinion? Is there any solution? Okay, please, Lara. Okay, perfect. It's acceptable. Well, okay, Rugaya. Perfect. Yes, Rina. Okay, thanks. Thank you very much. Well, okay, today we are going to talk about the conditional clauses. Okay, type 3. Okay. Maybe if you remember last year and before last year we talked about conditional type 1 and 2. Now let's refresh our memory about conditional types. Well, let's refresh our memory. Please, okay? Open the board. I will send you the device. Okay. Shortly, here, shortly, we will refresh our memory. Listen, please.
Okay, I'm going to begin with a general overview of the conditionals, and I will get more specific as the lesson continues. In English, we have 4 conditionals: 0, 1, 2, and 3, plus mixed conditionals. Each conditional has an if clause, comma, and a main clause. The if clause gives us
Well, okay, as you remember, first we said that conditional sentences consist of 2 types. Okay, conditional clauses and main clauses. And okay, please, as we said, if you remember, every time one step back: present simple, past simple, and past perfect. Okay, will, would, and would have, etc. And please keep. If we start with the conditional clause, we have to put comma. Please don't for this one.
condition. When I say condition, I mean situation. And the main clause gives us the result. The 0 and first conditional express real, possible conditions and results. The second and third conditional express impossible, hypothetical, unreal conditions and results. These conditionals are a combination of both. If result, if plus present simple, present simple.
Well, this is the 0 conditional, and if the wind blows, the trees move. Okay, it's in Russia the same, in Kenya the same, in Canada the same. Okay, which doesn't change. Okay, which is the truth everywhere.
Well, this is really because wind always moves trees, right? This will never change. Present simple, will infinitive.
Well, okay, the first conditional, having said that, again we start with if and present simple, and then will and infinitive. One example.
If I'm late for work again, I might lose my job.
Well, okay, Ms. Dilara, can you please translate? If we don't leave soon, we will miss our train. Perfect. Okay, these are the short condition about the first conditional.
Present simple, might plus infinitive. When you tell Ben the news, he's gonna faint. Gonna.
And well, on the case, also second conditional list, let's watch carefully.
Would is probably the most common verb you'll see, but you can also use other modal verbs. Might, could are also possible. We use the second conditional to speak about an imaginary, unreal, hypothetical, present, or future condition, plus its imaginary, unreal result. I know it's strange, we're using the past simple here, but we really are speaking about the present or the future, so just keep that in mind. If I win the lottery, I would buy a mansion.
Well, okay, first. Okay, as I said, after if you use past simple, one step back. If I won the lottery, I would, okay, bare infinitive, buy a mansion. If you translate, well, where? Perfect. Okay, first. It was a revision of the type 0, first and second, okay? And today we are going to talk about the third conditional. Well, let me organize this one too.
Welcome to Great Discoveries and Invention.
Okay, I will pass this part because we are a bit short of time. And let's watch the definitions.
For more amazing stories, watch us every week.
Hello again. You already know the first conditional and the second conditional. In today's lesson, we will talk about the third conditional. As you remember, you use the first conditional to refer to the future and to say what is going to happen if a condition is met. You use the second conditional to talk about imaginary situations in the present or in the future. You use the third conditional to talk about imaginary situations in the past. In other words, you use the third conditional to say what would have happened in the past if something else had or hadn't happened. Look at the structure of third conditional sentences. In the clause describing the condition after if, you use the past perfect. In the part describing the effect, you use would or wouldn't, plus have, plus the third form of the verb, the past participle. Look at an example from the video. If the man hadn't drunk the water, he would probably have died.
Well, okay. First, again, as we mentioned that, again, one step back, past perfect, and then would, have, and the third form of the verb. Well, who wants to translate? Okay, Yasin, please translate. Very good. Okay, thank you very much. Now, okay, let's again come back to our box, page 50 and exercise 3. Well, okay, please choose the correct answer of this one. Well, perfect. And let me read the first sentence of our text. Well, what would you do if you had 3 months to do whatever you wanted? Okay, what would you do if you had 3 months, whatever you wanted to? Please, what type is it? Yeah, type 2, perfect, very good. Well, please, can you give me some of your opinion? Very good. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, with your friend, with your peer, okay, please, let's try to make several sentences which relates to conditional type 3. And then, okay, we are going to this. Very good. Well, okay, first, homework is, well, student's book, page 51, exercise 4. Okay, due to tomorrow. Well, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.